Namaste friends, let us learn how to make fruit probiotics. Here we are making pineapple fruit probiotic. So first of all we need to sterilize our glass bottles by washing them and placing them under the sun for an hour. Now the ingredients required for this recipe are well ripened fruit, here it is the pineapple fruit, then water, some herbs like mint, ginger and spices like pepper. Then we also need jaggery to feed the microbes. Now let us add each ingredient in the bottle. So first goes the pineapple fruit. We can add all the fruit pieces till half the container capacity. Then we will add water, leaving some space on the top for the microbial activity and gases to be released. Then we shall add jaggery. Around 100 grams of jaggery is sufficient for the bottle of 1 liter bottle. Next goes the herbs and spices, that is the mint, pepper and ginger will be added next. Once all the ingredients are added, we shall close this glass jar using a cotton cloth and place in a dark place. The microbial activity immediately begins in the container, and every day we need to stir the fruit pieces because we can find the bubbles formed and fruit pieces will be floating on top. So we need to make sure that all the fruit pieces are staying within the liquid content, because once they are exposed to air there will be very high chances of mold formation, and that is where it gets spoiled and it will smell bad. So if required we can even stir the contents morning and evening as well, so twice a day if there is lot of foam and bubbles found and fruit pieces are floating on top, better to stir twice a day. So once all the fruits are settled at the bottom and transparent layer is formed on the top, then we can filter the contents using a cotton cloth. These fruit pieces are very well enjoyed by our possum, a pet that comes into our backyard. When I put these fruit pieces, it enjoys these fruits like anything. Okay, so then the filtrate that is collected is again transferred to a glass bottle that is sterilized, and then it is capped now. The filtrate is again left for fermentation, and again we can find different layers and stages found in the content. So initially it will be a white layer and then gradually it becomes a transparent layer, and then finally even that disappears and a completely clear liquid is formed. That is what we call as vinegar. That is our final product. But if the process doesn't go well and we have not capped well or something goes wrong, different other stages are found, like a white layer of yeast is formed in different unusual way as shown in the pictures. So in such cases our product won't be so good and we might have to discard it. Now the well formed clear liquid is filtered using a double layer of cotton cloth and collected. And now let us check the pH of this final product, and when we see that it is acidic, it is between 4 to 4.5. It matches with the color, you can see it is in the range of 4.5, which is a perfect acidic condition for the vinegar. Now after we filter, at the bottom we can find a thick layer that is settled at the bottom, which is called the mother of the vinegar. So that we can use as the starter culture for our next batches. So when we use the starter, the whole process becomes faster. Now this process that we have discussed now takes 30 days, but when we use starter it will be over within 20 days. So that is the advantage when we use starter culture. Again, please remember, fruits are best when they are consumed fresh, but when we need to consume them during the unavailable period and for their medicinal properties as a medicine, then we can preserve these fruit cultures and consume whenever required. Around 15 ml can be taken per day after 15 minutes of having food. You may even dilute it with water if you feel it very acidic and irritating for your intestines. Since these products are very high in their nutritive values, phenolic compounds, the enzymes and beneficial bacteria, these products would be helpful in very chronic conditions like diabetes, arthritis or even cancer. So they help in better digestion, reducing inflammation in the body and also remove the toxins from our body. These products are very safe and they are healthy. They are tasty also. They have a sweet and sour taste. So just enjoy them when needed and maintain your good health. We have also tested them in the labs and found that there are no harmful pathogens found in these cultures. So without any fear you can consume them and enjoy the benefits. Thank you.